Guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. All right, so I'm gonna do this video on Chevy Silverado no crank no start issue. If you guys have this issue and you guys are stuck somewhere and you can't get your truck started, you're not sure whether it's the starter, whether it's a fuse, or whether it's a relay, but you put your key in, it's not starting. I'm going to show you guys how to hack it so that you can figure out if your starter motor is working or not, and B, to get your truck started so that you can at least drive it to where you need to drive it to get it fixed. Okay, basically what happens is if you have a no crank no start, means that the starter is not engaging. All you see is a bunch of lights on your dash. All right, you might hear a click. I may or may not hear a click, but outside of that, there's no crank at all. Engine won't turn over. So here's what you do. All right, you're gonna open your hood, and you're gonna take a look at the fuse box. All right, take a look at the fuse box, the fuse and relay box. There's gonna be relays and fuses there, obviously. You're gonna take a look at the you're gonna pull out the starter relay. All right, you're gonna pull out the starter relay, and I got a picture of the pin that you're seeing right now that you're gonna put a wire to. All right, basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna wrap a wire to that pin, and then pop it back in, and then the other end of the wire you are going to touch the positive of the battery until your car starts, until your truck starts. All right, here's the thing, it should start. You should hear a crank. All right, if you don't hear a crank and it doesn't crank up and the starter does not engage, there is a pretty good chance that your starter is broken, that the starter needs to be changed out. Now, if you get to that situation where the starter needs to change out, you could always use some kind of metal pipe or whatever. You could probably use some kind of the pipe that you use for the jack, and just bang on the starter a couple of times and then try to start it afterwards. But if there's no issue with your starter should start using that method that I just described. All right, that's the pin right there in the picture. Just take a wire. The wire should be a little bit thick. You have one line around or whatever, wrap it around that pin that you're seeing in the picture right there, and then connect it to the positive battery post. All right, what it's gonna do, it's gonna crank. You're gonna leave it there until it cranks all the way through. Your truck starts. All right, once that happens, all right, you can take the relay out. At that point, you can take the relay out. Once the truck is running, you can take the relay out, take the wire off the relay, pop the relay back in, and your truck's going to stay running. Reason being is that relay is the relay to the starter, and it only it's only needed to activate the starter. All right, so hopefully this hack gets you guys to where you need to go. And if not, at least it'll tell you that there's a there's a huge possibility that your starter needs to be changed out. And like I said, in that instance, if that's the case, just take something, just take something, metal pipe or whatever, bang the starter a couple of times. A lot of the times your truck will start up after the starter is banged a couple of times. All right, hope this has helped you guys out. If it has, please give me a thumbs up, please subscribe, and definitely leave a comment in the comment section. All right guys, take care.